Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the vehicle and tool, locate the OBD-ROMAN 2 port, and set the ignition to ACC or on. Plug the diagnostic connector firmly. You should hear or see a connection prompt. Next, choose automatic protocol or the specific protocol for the car. Make sure the vehicle battery is healthy, low voltage, can corrupt reads, and power the scanner using its internal battery or the car. Once connected, navigate to the Scan menu to begin communication and request live data. Once connected, run an automatic full system scan to detect stored and pending DTCs. This gives you a roadmap. You then pull live PIDs like RPM, MAP, MAF, O2, and coolant temperature to compare against expected ranges while the engine is running. Use freeze frame to capture conditions when faults occurred, and save or photograph codes for later review. Make sure to clear codes only after verifying repairs. Clearing without fixing can erase useful diagnostics. You now use the tool to perform active tests or bidirectional controls to exercise actuators and confirm suspected failures. This helps prove the root cause. After completing repairs, clear relevant codes and perform a proper driving cycle or run the readiness tests again to verify the issue is resolved. If codes return, inspect grounds, wiring, and connectors, and confirm the vehicle software calibration matches the tool settings. One key troubleshooting tip: low battery or poor grounding often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.